We'll be in touch.
Let me grab you a card.
Yeah, thanks. All right, so this is a Rinnai water heater. We're pulling this off. This is where the plate is on this one. All right. Yeah,
There we go.
You got it, all right. So right away it came on, it's got a white LED. You just wait till it comes on with a blue LED, and then it's gonna blink for a bit, and then it's gonna go blue when it reaches the cellular connection and the cloud. Over here we also have a EcoPort sticker that describes that these water heaters are available for incentives from your utility, for the homeowner, and for the installer. There it is.